That's played nicely. He's used Kumle's space and found the gap on the offside. And that's a good hit. Good way to get off the mark. He's cleared the boundary quite comfortably, Inzamam. And this time Yunus Khan goes for the big one. The result is the same. And pulled away this time. He finds the boundary again. So 10 runs coming off the last two balls. And just the momentum.
Joshi, left arm orthodox spin. And good shot straight over the top. First ball and 6. Well, that's 121 for 3 now. Yusuf Yohana has arrived at the crease. Just when Pakistan look as if they're going to really get going, they're losing wickets and it's not helping their cause.
That's played late and very cleverly by Yohana. And that's pulled away into the gap. So 50 for Inzamam. And he's held this Pakistan innings together.
Good shot to bring it up with too. Just nicely eased through the offside. There's a sweeper out there. 71 balls for Inzamam, 1 4 and 2 sixes.
After losing twice, batting first. I don't think he's quite got it in the middle, but he's got enough of it. Well, that's well placed. Beautifully struck. Chase there for Rahul Dravid, and he can't get there. Oh, he's got that one away, miles over mid-off. Gone straight this time. That one didn't have the elevation, but it certainly... Oh, that's a very good shot. The placement was critical there. Oh, that's a good shot. Charging towards the 100 here, Inzamam. This has been a very powerful display. He's hit straight and hit powerfully again. He really does get that bottom hand. Long chase for Rahul Dravid, and he can't get there again. And that'll be 100 for Inzamam. A brilliant knock with 5 sixes. Pakistan 228 for 3 after 45.
7 balls, and he's not finished with them yet. These two really are taking him to the clean. Oh, he's hit that one into the gap. Flat as attack, one bounce over the fence for 4. Bit of a gap down there at mid-wicket. Well, straight down the ground, beautiful shot. 1 bounce, 2 bounces and over. Cannot hit them straighter than that. Richards, he's hit that one. He's hit that one. It's going, it's gone. Long way. Oh, that's much better. He's timed that beautifully. 1 bounce for 4. That's better. Oh, maybe better off that Yusuf Yohana gets a strike.